What is the difference between roof replacement versus roof restoration? Here's the simplest way to think about it. Replacement is more expensive but gets you a brand new roof with brand new shingles. Restoration costs up to 80% less and can extend the lifespan of the shingles you already have for years. Now let's take a moment to understand both options, starting with roof replacement. A roof replacement involves tear-off, disposal, and installing an entirely new roofing system. It's a bigger job, with more labor, more materials, and usually more disruption around the home. During a full replacement, you end up with new shingles, which isn't always a good thing, since new shingles are made with fewer materials and may not have the same lifespan you could expect from older shingles. Next, let's explore roof restoration. Roof restoration is meant to extend the usable life of your existing asphalt shingles without doing a full replacement. The restoration process involves spraying a plant-based solution onto your roof that makes your shingles more flexible and durable when they soak it up. It's often the most cost-effective solution, as long as the roof is structurally sound and the shingles are still largely intact. Now let's compare the basics: cost, timeline, disruption, and outcome. Replacement is typically the higher cost option because you're paying for full removal and new materials. Restoration with a Roof Maxx treatment can be up to 80% lower. As for the timeline, replacement typically takes days or weeks. It's also noisy, messy, and it involves a lot of material moving on and off your property. Restoration is often completed in hours and is a lighter touch process with far less disruption. In terms of the outcome, replacement gives you a brand new roof. Restoration can help extend the life of an existing roof and delay replacement, sometimes by years, when the roof is still in good condition overall. So when is replacement the better call? Replace if the roof has structural issues, widespread active leaks or rotten decking, or if there's severe storm damage across large areas. You may also need to replace if your roof is simply beyond its serviceable life. If you're on the fence, don't guess. Get an evaluation, compare your options, and find out whether your roof qualifies for restoration before you spend on a replacement you might not need yet. Many homeowners successfully use restoration to prolong the life of their existing shingles and put costly replacement off for years.